El 27 de junio, el portavoz militar israelí, Effie Defrín, hizo declaraciones para la prensa extranjera durante las cuales precisó que la guerra de los 12 días con Irán, llamada el león que se levanta, tuvo por objetivo frustrar los planes del régimen islamista iraní de destruir el Estado de Israel recurriendo tanto al arma nuclear y a cohetes balísticos de largo alcance como a una invasión terrestre a gran escala. A continuación les presentamos un resumen de las declaraciones del general israelí.
The operation began with a surprise opening strike, 1,500 kilometers from home. We targeted nuclear facilities, dozens of senior military commanders, 11 nuclear experts and knowledge hubs, and research and development sites. By doing so, we disrupted all stages of the regime's nuclear weapons production. At the same time, the Air Force launched strikes against surface-to-surface missiles, launchers, production capabilities, and systems designed to target our aircraft. In the 12 days since the opening strike, the IDF continued with precise strikes focused on two main efforts. The first was against the Iranian regime's nuclear weapons program. They were enriching uranium on a broad scale and had enough fissile material for several nuclear bombs that they could assemble in a short period of time. On the map here, you can see the regime's main nuclear sites. These are the key facilities in the production chain for a nuclear weapon core. In this image, you can see the first site, Fordow, a uranium enrichment facility built dozens of meters underground and carved into rock. It was struck by the US military. The second site, Natanz, is Iran's largest enrichment facility. It has been operational for years and contains the infrastructure for enrichment to military levels. The significant damage to these two sites has removed the Iranian regime's ability to enrich uranium to military-grade levels at this time. The third site struck was the conversion facility near Isfahan. We struck critical components in the production chain of nuclear weapons. We struck thousands of centrifuges, production sites, and infrastructure. We also struck the inactive Arak reactor. Striking this facility denied the regime the critical capability to produce plutonium, another material used for nuclear weapons. The elimination of 11 nuclear scientists directly involved in nuclear weapons development was a critical blow to the regime's ability to continue its nuclear weapons program. The second effort targeted Iran's missiles and UAVs, which the regime had planned to launch towards Israel. We struck missile production capabilities, launchers, and surface-to-surface missiles. On this map, you can see that we struck more than 30 facilities responsible for producing components and materials for the ballistic missile program. We set back their missile production, especially for long-range missiles that directly threaten Israel. We destroyed over 50% of the missile launchers and damaged dozens of components. We eliminated senior Iranian military commanders, including the top three, and later one of their successors. More than 30 senior commanders were eliminated. We removed the immediate existential threat to the state of Israel. The Iranian nuclear project was struck across all components. The nuclear project has been set back by years. The regime's weapons development and military industry was significantly damaged. Thousands of missiles that were planned for production will not be built. The IDF has met and in some areas exceeded its operational goals. Yet, we are under no illusion. The enemy has not changed its intentions. Through this operation, we were able to achieve our objective to prevent an existential threat to Israel, the region, and the Western world. Our capability, our determination, and our readiness to defend ourselves are now clear to our friends and our enemies. I wish to express my deep appreciation to our ally and partner, the United States, and to the commanders of the US military. Years of close coordination, built on shared values, have been vital to security across the region. We are preparing for a variety of scenarios and continuing to operate against Hamas in Gaza, today's actions are for tomorrow's future, for the future of us all, our children and our grandchildren. We will continue to stand strong together, and we will